Using next-generation sequencing and other advances in AAV analytics, we're asking the question, can we develop a two-column chromatography process that produces comparable purity and potency of adeno-associated virus therapeutics to that achieved with an ultracentrifugation-based process? To answer this question, X-Talks presents a webinar brought to you by Sartorius BIA Separations and Advanced Medicine Partners. During the presentation, you will learn about key topics such as the potencies of the drug substances from two-column processes being equivalent and potentially greater than the UC-purified drug substance, and how the two-column processes can be more readily scaled than the UC process. Register now to attend this live X-Talks webinar or view a recording of the presentation after the event completely free of charge.